Record my weekly analysis on gold for the next week. But first, I would like to mention that I did not upload the trading recap of Friday because I did not took a trade and the price action was not the best, so I did not add a lot to talk, so I just did not upload the video, and that's my explanation for why I did not record the video and why I did not upload the video. So now let's talk about my weekly analysis on gold for the next week. So in the last week, here we were here and I showed my plans. One of my plans was my bullish plan was that we had already mitigated the gap and then would continue going higher, and if we had a candle closure above this week we would probably continue going higher, and that's what happened. We had a candle closure above and then we just gone higher. So now let's talk about this trading recap. So here we have this daily bullish fair value gap, and we also have another bullish daily fair value gap a bit below. So my plan here is very simple. We have already swept this fair value gap, respected the gap, then another mitigation. So my plan is very simple for the day, for the week. So my first plan is that since that we had already mitigated this gap, we can just continue going higher after today. Tomorrow we can see gold rallying way higher. My second plan is that we'll lose this gap and go lower to mitigate this other bullish fair value gap. So here we have a candle closure below this fair value gap, and if we have a candle closure below the fair value gap, I think that we will drop to this level. So this is my second wave, my second plan, my bearish plan. My other bullish plan is that we mitigate again this gap and then continue going higher. And my fourth and last bearish plan is that alright, we go here after losing this level, we go to this bullish fair value gap, we lose the fair value gap, bearish retest, and then go lower. And if we go lower, we have this important low, and we also have this bullish daily fair value gap. So if we really drop here to this low, I expect a big bullish reaction. Honestly, I don't think that will go lower here. I think that if we lose this level, we might go here, but I do not expect in the next week to see this level lost, but we never know. So here we have my first bullish plan, already mitigated the gap, then continue going higher from here. My second plan is that we mitigate again this level and then I expect a bullish reaction. Also I have to mention this high, this all-time high level. So here we have to be very cautious. We maybe see a move here, but if we don't have a candle closure above this high, it might just be a bearish deviation and we can go lower. So if we want this first plan to get succeeded, I want a candle close above this high, and then I will expect a continuation higher. So here my second plan, mitigation here and then higher. My first bearish plan is that we lose this level, bearish retest, and I really think that if this level gets lost, we will drop to this other one. And my fourth plan, I don't expect it to happen, but we never know. We go here, lose this level, bearish retest, and then go lower. But honestly, I'm very bullish for this week. We have already mitigated this bullish fair value gap. We are clearly bullish, and I expect the structure to be respected, and I expect gold to go higher. Here, if we have a candle closure below this low, we will have a bearish structure created. So if we want a continuation higher, we need to have candle closures above this low. If we have below, I start to think that we might be bearish and we might have bearish wicks in the front of us. But here, as we know, the gold is very bullish and I expect a bullish continuation. But here you have to be very cautious. If we have a bullish candle close above this high, alright, I expect a continuation way higher. If we have just a wick here with the candle closure below, I think that we can see choppy price section, and we might see just the price going lower or just going sideways. So just be very cautious about that. But honestly, I expect a bullish week. So I think that I've already said what I want to do. So bullish plan, bearish plan. And if you like the video and learn something with me, like and subscribe. It would help me a lot. So like and subscribe, and tomorrow I'll be back for another trading recap. So hope you enjoyed, and see you tomorrow.